What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channels, you guys. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Jackson, Twitter, Kristen46. That is all you guys have to do. And it's June 4th. Happy Saturday. It is 2:53 p.m. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed your day. Let's get started with our day. So we're just chilling today because it's Saturday. I just want to chill. And next week I must be more productive and stuff. But I'm supposed to go to Seattle. But now we can't go to Seattle because we're going to be worrying about the dog and stuff. And yeah, so I'm not going to Seattle. And yeah, we're just not going to Seattle right now. So yeah, that's what I need to tell you guys. So anyways, I'm lots to go. I will hit you guys up in the next clip. Stay tuned. This is just a short intro, and yeah. Okay, bye. What's up, everybody? At playtime, it is 6:19 p.m.
Hello!
So, I'm in my friend's room, and it's raining.
When is it raining and when is it?
Well, it didn't rain last summer. I don't know what's going on this summer. I'm about to... You can see it. Look at the camera. Anyways. So, we're not going to gay pride.
We gotta get rid of this.
Don't. They said we're not going to gay pride.
No, we're still trying to figure that out. We give it about a week so we can figure it out.
We gotta talk to my boyfriend and stuff, so I don't know if we're going or not. Why do you keep opening this window?
What?
I keep opening, but we're not. I don't know if we're going or not. We have to figure that out soon. Well, I think we're gonna figure it out. You're gonna keep opening these fucking windows in this rain. So, I'm wearing this again, sweatpants, my bonnet, that's what I'm wearing today. Tomorrow, I'm gonna show you new clothes I got. So, I'm gonna show you guys that. And I was sleeping, that's why I didn't actually vlog. I'm gonna vlog for the rest of the night, so I will talk to you guys in the next clip. Stay tuned. Up, everybody. Update time is 7:12. My friend's there.
Hi!
And the dog's behind us. Right there.
Yeah.
People. Did he came in asleep in here?
Yeah.
I thought he said he wanted to get.
He's a liar.
She's liking people's stuff.
I'm liking all of her stuff on Instagram. Did you go through and like all the pictures?
Yeah, that's all of them on there.
All 40 of them? Out of all 500, nearly 600 pictures that I had on my original one.
And the dog's behind me, laying down. And it's still raining. Let me see if you guys can see it.
It's been a weird day. Again.
So yeah. Just want to update you guys what we've been up to. She got done watching Teen Wolf and now she's watching
Full
House, and I was on TikTok, and yeah, I just did a TikTok. Now it's like,
I love that show a movie app.
I told her about that.
No.
So, and I was like, yeah. I've been following these kind of movie apps for free, but I'm not gonna tell you because I'll probably get in trouble.
Probably.
So yeah, I'm like, I will say that this movie / TV show app is really good. So like I said, hey guys, I'm gonna go. Say bye.
Bye.
See you guys in the next clip. What's up, everybody? Update time. It is 8:16. I'm closing the vlog out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell. Follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Jackson, Twitter, Chris46. That's all you guys have to do. See you guys tomorrow, another day of vlog. I'm not doing the highs and lows today because I'm too tired. I'm about to take this wig off and everything. I'm about to go to sleep. So good night, everybody. See you guys tomorrow, another day of vlog. Bye.